A major escalation unfolded in South Asia this week as tensions between nuclear-armed neighbors India and Pakistan reached a critical point. On Monday night, India launched a series of airstrikes targeting what Indian officials described as terrorist infrastructure within Pakistan and the Pakistan-administered side of Kashmir. But the visuals show a different story, as the attack was on civilian infrastructure. Indian fighter jets attacked mosques in Bahawalpur and Muzaffarabad cities. The operation was launched in direct response to a deadly militant attack in Indian-administered Kashmir last week, which killed at least 26 civilians, including security personnel. But according to global sources, India failed to provide the solid evidences about it. According to Indian authorities, the attackers had ties to groups operating across the border. The Pakistan Air Force reportedly shot down 5 Indian fighter jets and launched retaliatory airstrikes, escalating the confrontation. The Pakistani military targeted the checkposts of Indian Army with anti-tank missiles, with casualties on the Indian side yet to be independently verified. Visuals from social media from India also verify 3 fighter jets were shot down in Indian-administered side of Kashmir.
मैं डर गया
ਇੱਥੇ ਚੱਲ ਪੈਣ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਗੋਲ ਕੰਧਾਰ ਦਾ